Sorry. There is 100 meters of these things. There's about 130 of these in a long stretch. So if you want to have a look at where we're going, stick your head over the fence there and you can see a long black strip. And there's 2 yellow markers where the boats aren't supposed to go. So that's our safety point. It's only about 100 meters off the shore. It will be slightly cold today. Temperatures are probably about 18 degrees. So if you feel cold, come on in. You can sit on these if you need the help. No one's going to tell you off. They are concrete. Has everyone got a buddy? Oh, well that's good. That takes care of that problem too. I've got anti-fog for anyone need it in their mask. Come and see me, a couple of sprays, and just wash it out once when you get in the water. Other than that, the entrance is just down, if you go down to the path and then off to the right, there'll be an entrance down to the water, to the beach, and then we can swim out from there. Has anyone got any questions? Oh, grip shot. Can we do a grip shot? Awesome. Grip shot. Sure.
Here we're at Seaway O'Connor Beach. The black stuff out there is man-made reef, Robinson or Rollinson's reef, and we're going to check that out. They put it in last year, so yeah, see what's out there. Let's get wet.
Get wet.
There you go, it's a bit murky, and it's only been there a year, so it needs a bit more time. But there's a few big fish in there that I didn't see, but everyone else is telling me about. So yeah, we'll have to come back here next year. All right, juice out.